Should I start a YouTube channel or not? This is the first question most people think about before starting a YouTube channel or while watching other successful YouTubers. Are you one of them? So let's answer this question to help you take your final decision. What's going on? It's your boy Rahim and welcome back to Base Business. So many people became famous through YouTube and making thousands of dollars per month and living an amazing life. So it's quite obvious to get attracted towards those people, and you also want to get famous, make money and live a better life. On YouTube, not only popular people are making money, but also ordinary people are making from little to higher. So it's not required to become as famous as those people. Now, before I answer your question, which is, should you start a YouTube channel or not? Let me ask you this first. Why do you want to start a YouTube channel? Because for different people, different reasons. Maybe to get famous, maybe for marketing your business, to help and educate people, or making money through AdSense. Think about the reason why you want to start a YouTube channel first. Some people start a YouTube channel just for making money. They think that YouTube is a very easy and fast way for making money. And here, they do mistake. If you have only one goal for creating a YouTube channel, making money, then don't do that. You can definitely think of making money from YouTube. It's not bad, but it shouldn't be the only reason for joining YouTube and starting your channel. Because to become successful on YouTube, you must need to have passion of making good content as well. And if you are thinking that creating videos is a very easy process, then you are very wrong. It takes so much time, hard work and passion for creating interesting content for viewers. Some people start their YouTube channel, upload some videos and think they will get success immediately. And after some days, because of not getting views and subscribers, they get disappointed and stop making videos. If you want to become successful on YouTube, you must do the opposite. For every YouTuber, it takes time to get your channel popular and videos start getting views. Even today's biggest YouTubers were not getting views when starting, but they kept making videos and today they got so popular. For example, the very popular tech YouTuber MKBHD himself said that he had only 74 subscribers when he made 100 videos. But today he's one of the top tech YouTubers with millions of subscribers. So keep making videos, solve your mistakes, try to make it more and more interesting. And who knows, maybe one day you will get viral. Anyone can start a YouTube channel for any reason. Fame, money, marketing, education or learning. But you have to keep something in your mind that you can be successful only if you are interested and passionate about it. Otherwise, you won't be successful. It's up to you now. Are you going to start your YouTube channel? If yes, write your channel name in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.